Hey guys. We are here to do an unboxing, but also a closer look. Of Fidget Boy stuff. So, I've got a bunch of Fidget Boy stuff here. And then I've got some other new stuff that I'm going to be unboxing. Sheba, why can't you ever just stay and be a nice cat? Come here. Ugh. Sheba's gonna help me do an unboxing. Okay. Sheba, help me do an unboxing. Oh, yes. She's actually not very good at helping me do unboxings these days. Okay, so I lent these out to a couple of my friends, Kyle, Spencer, and then Gavin Sexton over at Dynamic Inertia and Fidget Focused. So this guy, and this guy. And Fidget Boy dude, Jason Tierney, he was so gracious as to let me have these. So I'm super excited. But having them back, I want to experiment a little bit on some tape. This one's all fucked up, but this one's not. I've got the clear tape and then the fabric-y tape. So I feel like this guy doesn't really need it because he's got one side that's like textured and the other side that's not. This guy is like, could be like the perfect slider, but a little hard to slide. I feel like tape is the answer. Okay, and then this one is just like a drifter. It's awesome. Okay, but he sent me a couple other ones and I wanted to unbox them and review them and show you what I'm talking about. Can never get the lighting well. Okay. All right, I've got a knife. I do. I thought that was Sheba. Okay. Sheba would like to be here when I open this. She's trying to get back up here. Okay. Sheba. Come here. Remember when I've said before that this is like the worst unboxing ever? Well, this one is. But Sheba really would like to be involved in this, so let's do it, huh? Okay, Sheba. Here. Oh, damn. Okay, right here. Here. Unbox it. Ooh. Okay. Some people have said that they like my channel because it's like utter chaos. Alright, we'll do it this way, right here. Okay. This is my favorite shirt. I'm done peopling. I love to wear it because I'm done all the time. Sheba, can you pay attention? Kyle has sent me a couple of videos of him playing with these because Jason sent him some and he says they're like amazing. So okay, so we've got 3 here. What? Oh my gosh, this is like the AOL. This is so retro. Sean Custon would like this from Fidget Fix, right? You've got Fidget Boy. Oh, wow. Holy crap, this thing is awesome. Oh my gosh, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 clicker. Holy shit, this thing is awesome. Wow. Okay, so same color scheme as this guy. Wow. Oh, he's got one side that has these, one side these. Wow, this doesn't feel like it needs to have any kind of tape at all. Wow. Okay. Oh, we've got another one of these Fidget Boys. Is this improved from this one? Smaller. Wow, I like the color. It looks a tad thinner. It's interesting. Feels a lot different. Feels, the magnets feel different than this one. Than this one. Magnets are a lot stronger. Wow. I gotta see which one I like better. It feels definitely more dialed in. Now this is the one that Kyle has said is like the bomb. Right here. Okay, plates are the same. Ooh, the magnets are very strong. So we've got, this is the one from before. A little chunkier. I like the feel of this one a lot. You can actually even see the magnets right there. Wow. Wow. Ow. I don't think I've ever gotten pinched by a 3D printed thing. That is insane. This is beautiful. A lot of people, when he first came out with these, were like, they're ugly. They ain't ugly now. They're fucking beautiful. Look at this one. This one is like iridescent. Shuba's hair is already on there. It's iridescent. I am gonna put some tape on these though. But I'm gonna turn the camera around so you guys can get a better look. Alright, so I've got all of the Fidget Boy sliders in succession. And I kind of wanted to show you guys how I got them. So the first one that I ever got was this one. Everybody complained that it was ugly, but he got a new printer, and so then he made these pretty colorful ones. So incredibly strong magnets, very tactile though. I really like the feel of this one. Sound of it too. Now what he did was he made it a little fatter, changed the color scheme. He got a new printer, so it was a little smoother. I'd say the magnet strength was about the same on these. This one might be a little bit stronger, but that's not necessarily good when it comes to 3D sliders, because it's all about being able to actually slide the thing. Now I do have some tape that I'm going to be experimenting with. So then he came out with this one. I just got this, so I haven't had a lot of time to play with it. Feels like it slides easier than both the other ones. So I think that he went back to the same height. No, this one's still a little thicker than the first one. Definitely feels weaker, but that's a good thing because these are almost too hard to slide. But I am going to try some slide tape so we can see what's going on with them. But feel awesome. These are like an instant win. They super tactile, super responsive, great size. You can do lots of tricks with them. Feels great. I was really excited to see this guy. Slides really great. Some people, I mean, I feel like it might be a little too thick. I love the design of it. So then he came out with this guy, which is thinner, super strong magnets, though not rattly. This one's not rattly. I like the feel of this one a lot. And then of course we got the Fidget Boys version of the Drifter. And this thing is just freaking amazing. I love it. Slides great. Sounds awesome. Listen to that. Got that clicky. This one is like perfection. So really curious about this guy. I really want to see what it would be like to put some tape on it. Let's see. I'd like to put the clear tape. I've got my X-Acto knife kit here. Okay. Is it wide enough? I don't know. You see about putting it on one side? Can I just tear it? Yeah, okay. All right, so I had a scissor down here at some point, and then I don't know what I did with the scissor that was down here. I'm really curious about putting this tape on multiple Fidget Boy fidgets. Okay. Woo-wee. So, a lot of times I've seen these 3D sliders have tape on one side. I wonder if I could just put it on one side and get away with it. Gavin from Dynamic Inertia told me I didn't know what I was doing because I didn't have an X-Acto knife, and he was right. I didn't realize how not that I know how to use the fucking X-Acto knife well, but come on. I've got a little piece here. What do I do? Am I fucking up the thing? Damn it. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I've got it on one side here. Sheba's trying to beg me to play with her. Oh yeah, that makes a huge difference. Wow. Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, so I want to now put... do I want to put it on this guy? Maybe this guy. Should I put tape on both of these and see what happens? Okay, hold on. Okay, I put slide tape on this guy. Oh yeah, wow. That's perfect. Wow. Okay. So slide tape, perfect. Okay, so I'm not sure if this guy needs it or not. Would it take it away from it if I put slide tape on it? Should I check? Alright, let me check. Okay. So, I put slide tape on this bad boy. Magnets on this one are definitely a little bit weaker. Oh, the slide tape makes such a huge difference. Gosh. Yeah, these definitely need slide tape, and only one piece on one side. It doesn't even have to cover the whole thing. It just elevates it to a whole nother level. Insane. Okay, now that there's slide tape, now I will say these do not need slide tape. I guess it's because of the way he made one side, the other, you know, one side is like bubbly, so it doesn't like, it doesn't catch like the other one does. This one is like excellent the way it is. Oh, I love it. And then this one, again, doesn't need slide tape, probably because of the just disjointed magnets in there. These three do need. Now this one is just the prototype, so I'm just going to keep that as an honorable mention. So now let's take a look here. So pros and cons of each one and how they each feel. Now I guess I'm going to have to put them into different categories. This one is in a category all its own. It's like the Drifter. Now if you've never felt the Drifter, it's a circular slider, and it's kind of weird the way. Alright, so of the three categories, this one is the thinnest and most comfortable. I love the texture. It has no rough spots at all. It just feels great in your hand, very pocketable. It is a 1, 2, 3 click. Now the magnets are very, very strong, so it's a little bit hard to ladder. It feels really great. See, like the size difference between this and like a wrapped, about the same size as a wrapped. I'd say a lot lighter. So feels great, but definitely needs slide tape. Great slider, love it. I will say, I think I like these guys a little bit better, just because of the ergonomics. My hands are a little smaller. Maybe men's hands would be a little bit better. This, it's smaller and easier for me to do a bunch of tricks, and I'll show you. But first, I wanted to talk about this guy. This guy slides awesome. It's got the clickiness. It looks awesome. It's a lot of fun. I'd say I'd love it if it was just a little bit thinner, but very solid slider. Feels really good in the hand. But this one feels better in the hand. But this one is not like that clicky. This one feels awesome. I guess let me compare this to the haptic EDC version, the Surge. Now they have their own little tape on there already. Ergonomically, it's a little bit smaller. It's similar. I'd say the magnets are a little bit stronger in this guy, but this one is really a home run, but only if you put the slide tape on there. Now, I really love the Fidget Boy ones, like these. Interesting though that the magnet strength is a lot weaker in this guy. Once I put the slide tape on, these became like next level. But I wanted to show you what I'm talking about, like with the whole, like the amount of tricks you can do with this guy is like freaking insane. I love the clicky version of it. Like, it's insane what you can do with this. Now, I just unboxed this one, so I haven't had a lot of time to play with it, but it's a little thinner, and the magnet strength is a little bit weaker. But I think I might like this guy better. I know he's chunkier, but it makes up for it being smaller. See, he's a lot smaller than this guy here. And the magnet strength, after I put the slide tape on, is like dead on. It's like fun as shit. I think that when they get fatter, they're a little bit more hollow, so you can hear it a little bit more too. It's very solid, this one. I really like it a lot, but I think I kind of like the chunky one a little bit better. So, now, I don't know, I just freaking love this one, dude. Oh, they're great. Let me show you the whole Fidget Boy lineup here. I mean, I'll rank them from how much I like them. I'd say I like this guy the best. I have to say I like this guy too. These feel like a duo, like a pair to me. Then I think I would like this guy, although I need to spend a little bit more time. Then I think I like this guy after that. I gotta spend a little more time with this guy. It just feels like he pales in comparison a little bit to this guy. And it's only because it's tweaked a little bit. And I think I like this one better than this one. I like this one a lot, but the drifter's hard to use, and it's very chunky, not very pocketable. So I don't really like that much. So there you have it. These are fun. They're colorful. These would make awesome gifts for kids, for adults. They're super easy to use, but I will say, Jason, if you're watching this, and I know you are, put slide tape on these. They need it. Although this guy doesn't, this guy doesn't, and this guy doesn't. So if you're not going to put slide tape on there, then make one plate different than the others, so it doesn't need the slide tape like this guy. This is so fun. I love it. God, and I love the color scheme. It's just beautiful. Very creative. Can't wait to spend some more time with this guy. This one is awesome. It just feels so nice. I just will say that, I don't know why, but the ergonomics of this guy just, it's fun. It's so fun. You can do so many tricks with this. I love the clicky sound. And I love the colors. That's preference, you know? A little less sound, a little bit more muted. Maybe better for like school. Still freaking epic. A little bit easier to handle because it's thinner, but I like the hollow sound on the other one. So, anyway. Well, there she be, guys. What do you think? Huh? I love them. Anyway, thank you guys for watching.